got these front turn signals. I decided to get amber rather than the clear. I know there's clear ones for the US market through 63 apparently, but I like there were amber ones on 61 as well in various locations, so it's not entirely incorrect in my understanding to have either one of them depending. So I just wanted to see how they look by installing on these. These are the holes that I made for the for these turn signals, and hoping that this fits well. I'll take off the nut and the washer and see if this fits on there. So put this rubber all the way up around it, and interesting. Sure that fits the contour, but maybe it does once you bolt it down. It seems to not curve quite enough, but let's see. So, look at the back here. Looks like that. I just want to see if I tighten this down. See, it doesn't seem to meet the contour there. Alright, well I got them both in. So they're a little over 1 centimeter from the side there. I had to do a little wrangling on the holes to make sure. And I guess if you look at this, this one is just a little bit, well, I guess they're about the same distance from that hole. So, if I do it's about a span of my hand. That's maybe, who knows, maybe this one is just a fraction of an inch closer down, but I don't think you're going to be able to tell. So, it didn't quite seem to fit the contour. It was almost like it didn't bend quite enough, but I had to wrangle and bend the inside of it just a little bit. But, overall, I think that looks pretty good.